What is good, you absolute beautiful people? It has been a minute, probably about like what, 3 months now, but I promise you those 3 months have not gone to waste. I have been building up my inventory on just all the goodies. Like I got some go fast parts. I had actually did some things off camera, like some maintenance stuff that I didn't think you guys really wanted to see. Probably like kind of boring and whatnot, but there are going to be some big maintenance things that I am going to do that you guys probably want to see. And it's going to be my first time doing it, so let's see. I am actually following everything by the book, so like torque specs and all the extra stuff. I am going to need a couple more things later on, but yeah, I'm actually really excited. I'm actually going to go over what I did already. I mean, quick, simple things, but definitely needed, especially for just, getting a new car or just a used car or whatever. It's just, especially with these engines, you just want to make sure everything's in tip-top shape. That's what I'm doing, making sure all the maintenance and stuff is good. But let's just get to it. I'm actually really excited about this one. Alright, so going up to the car, we got a whole lot taken off. The cowl, all these seals and everything, winterproof, not winterproof, sorry, the like waterproof seals that go up there. The wiper blades have been coming off, or came off, and they came off because I had to do the valve cover. The valve cover was leaking somewhere around this area, and I had a feeling that it was cracked. I also changed the coil packs and the spark plugs. I am a neat freak, so I like to clean as much of the areas as possible. I actually cleaned inside there so that it wasn't all oxidated and rusty and whatnot. I'm sure it's gonna happen again, but just for my sanity, I just like to do that. I'd also have done the dry belts as well. I replaced all of those. The only thing I didn't replace is the harmonic balancer. Correct me if I'm wrong. I didn't replace that. I am thinking about doing that maybe in the future, but I don't think I need to. I know a lot of people do the crank seal cover or whatever. I don't think in this case I'm going to need it. The oil filter housing thermostat was actually leaking, and that's why I still have this. I'm actually waiting for an upgraded, I believe they're pronounced Moselman thermostat. So as soon as that comes in, I'll put that on. I am thinking about just keeping these. I just personally think they look kind of cool. But the oil cooler, they do have upgraded oil coolers, so we'll see what happens there. So yeah, all of this here was, I don't know if you can see, but behind there was just all covered in oil and crud. I kind of just try to clean as much as I could possibly. It's not going to look brand new, but trust me, it looks 10 times better than it did before. So, what are we dealing with today? We are actually going to be replacing these rotors and the brake pads. Now, the front rotors, we'll get into that. I just can't wait. The rear rotors, actually, I'm actually going to keep the rear rotors at this time. They seem decent for now. I don't really see any issues with them currently. So of course you just have the rust on it that can easily be cleaned off. I'm going to clean those off before I actually do the or put the rear pads on them. So all this is going to get cut off. Again, I am a kind of a neat freak, so I am actually going to clean the entire wheel wells of everything there. So yeah, let's just get to it. That's nice. BMW. You're literally talking to him. Yeah.